Today I'm setting up my Vegega raised bed. This particular design is a little more angular than the old one. This is just supposed to be extra sturdy. This is honestly really easy to do by yourself. I started out like I always do with a layer of cardboard on the bottom, and then also like always I fill it with like bigger logs and then sticks on the bottom, kind of similar to a hugelkultur method, and then keep adding smaller and smaller sticks on top until the bed is about halfway full. I have some neighbors who keep chickens, and so I actually got a few buckets of chicken manure to add in on top of the sticks. This particular batch of grass clippings was really good for this because it had so many leaves mixed in since it was the first time mowing since the fall. This balance of carbon and nitrogen should make really good compost pretty quickly for the plants as they're growing. Once I got the dirt in, I started putting my sprouted potatoes on top because I want this to be a potato bed. And then I took a box of dried leaves that I had saved and poured that on top for the mulch.